Hello, good morning, Mary Ann. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good morning, ma'am. I am Mayan Parungan. I am 27 years old. I have two kids, ma'am. One 10-year-old girl and 8-year-old boy. I am high school graduate in Philippines, Gimban, Nueva Ecija. I am experienced of babysitter in Nueva Ecija in 2 years.
Okay. So, you have experience as a babysitter or housemaid in the Philippines. Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to help my family financially and my kids for their study.
Okay. So, how many years do you see yourself working in Hong Kong?
2 years, ma'am.
2 years. Okay. So, in your past employers, what are your duties?
All around, ma'am, I have duty in children of 6 months and also doing household chore, cooking, laundry, ironing, and also the pets.
Okay, so the kids that you have take care is 6 months. Okay.
Yes.
What are the important things that you need to do when taking care of the 6 months old baby? So what is the first thing that you need to do?
First thing I do is feed that baby, taking clothes, taking bath, take a medicine, and get a nap.
Okay. So usually, what kind of activities are you and the kids are doing?
We're doing play blocks, we're doing reading, also teach his speech,
Okay.
singing, also watching videos, kids video.
Okay. So aside from taking care of the kid, can you also cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What usually dishes that you cook?
A Filipino food, ma'am.
Philippine.
I also cook adobo, vegetables, also
Okay.
other food, ma'am, in other countries.
Okay. So are you willing to share room with the kids or elderly if we will be giving you the job offer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No. How about if you have a co-helper?
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, as a first timer in Hong Kong, we want to assure that you will not borrow any money to your employer or any lending company in Hong Kong. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Message for your employer, please, for your future employer.
Good morning, ma'am, sir. I am Mayan Parungan. I promise I will be kind, trustworthy, and helpful to others.